Tagpi Tagpi. It's a Philippine-themed fashion show, and we'll be featuring 3 local designers and also 5 models. And what we want to show is how proud we are to be Filipino, and despite of our diversity and inclusion. So that's what this is all about. It's really about championing the Filipino excellence and our cultural heritage. I think that Independence Day is a day for us to remember what our heroes, what the history has shown us, and how we as citizens right now, it is our duty to be active, involved, and especially with, as part of the youth, we have to be the voices of this nation. And Independence Day, for this show, we want to show the call to action. Our message is that what we can contribute as one community, as a creative community. Araneta is hosting a lot of celebrations, so we have one also in Animal, we have one in Gateway, and for this in Activity Center in Farmers Activity Plaza, we have a Philippine fashion show from 2 to 4 p.m. So what I love about this is that we're celebrating the Philippine